Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope that you guys are all having a lovely day or night wherever you are. As you can see by the title, today I will be filming a Black Friday try-on haul for you guys. I don't know if you guys can tell by the quality of this video, I am actually filming on a different camera. And I am not gonna lie, it's really weird because I can't see myself, if that makes any sense. Like on the little screen, I can't actually be looking at the screen and making sure that like everything is good and be looking at you guys at the same time. So please excuse me if I look at the screen a few times. It's my first time using it, so anyways, super long intro, I'm sorry. So I did go to several stores, and there are like 2 stores that are not from like the Black Friday sales. I went like a few days before, and I will mention that. So the first store that I went to was American Eagle, and the first thing that I got was this really cute top, and I got this for like $15, which I think that it's a really good deal because it's super cute. I just love that the fabric is kind of like a denim-ish style. And I love the sleeves, I love the buttons, I don't know, I like it a lot. And then I did buy 2 pairs of jeans. It was buy one get one half off, which I feel like that's like their everyday sale. But both of them, the shirt was a small, I believe. Yeah, I got this in a small. I no longer get extra small. Super sad, but I now get small in almost everything. And the jeans, I got them on a size 2. This is what the first pair looks like. It's super cute, and I love the line on the side. I feel like it makes it a bit different from like other jeans. And the other jeans are also on a size 2, and they also have like, I don't know, you guys can tell that I am into this kind of like thing. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this ones. I don't know if I'm a fan of like the fit. And these are the high-rise jeggings, and these ones are the high-rise jegging crop. So next I went to Forever 21. I feel like everybody has to go to the store. So this is the first thing that I got. Again, I got a navy top with sort of the similar sleeve style as the other one. It's just that the sleeves are a bit longer. And I got this for $7, which I think that it's a really good deal. Then I got these 2 sweaters for $25, like together. And I got them in this olive green. Super cute. I love that it's V-neck. V-neck is my favorite kind of like. And I got the same one in a gray. I love anything gray or navy. Next I got this working out pants for $12, and they're super cute. I love that they have pockets for like my phone, and yeah, they're cute. Size small. Next I got this really cute skirt. I am not a skirt kind of gal because I feel like it looks like those like uniforms from like Mexico, which is, there's nothing wrong with it, but it just looks like a uniform. I love the pattern and the color. Super cute. I will definitely have to wear this with like some tights because it's getting really cold now, which I'm super happy. And that was all from Forever 21. Next, obviously, Victoria's Secret. Well, pink. I just went to this store like maybe like 2 weeks or a week ago. But you girls can never have too many underwear, at least I can't. And I needed a lot of like casual underwear, just like really simple that won't show when you're wearing like leggings or like really thin jeans material like jeggings. So I just got a bunch of like this ones that have like no lining. I don't know if there's too much that I'm showing you guys my underwear, but like yeah, I got a bunch of like different colored underwear, and I love the lace and everything. I did get them in different styles. And I did buy a new bra in this beautiful green color. That is why I got like this ones, so I could like match. I needed a basic everyday bra for like underneath shirts, so that way because you girls know how there's some bras that have like a lot of detail, a lot of lace, pearls or things like that. You can see them through like the shirts, which bothers me so much because they're so cute. But I also need some bras that like don't have any detail, that won't show through my shirts. So from Ulta, I bought a new micellar water. I feel like I'm always changing up my micellar water. First I had the Garnier one, which I loved, but then I discovered that Garnier is not cruelty free, so I stopped using that one. And then I bought the simple micellar water, and I've heard that that one is not cruelty free either, so I stopped using that one too. So I decided to go for this one. This one I'm sure it's like cruelty free. This is the Pacifica micellar water, coconut micellar water. This was a bit pricier than like the Garnier or the simple micellar water, but it's, oh yeah, it says right here, it's 100% vegan and it's cruelty free. It's good for all skin types, so I had to do it. I did buy another sponge, used it today, that's why it's not here. And I had to repurchase more mascara. And lastly, I bought this body lotion from Soap and Glory. I used to use this other lotion that was not cruelty free either, so I just changed to this one. This brand has really good reviews, so I'm gonna try it out. There were other ones that smelled interesting. I've mentioned that I'm really picky with smells, guys, so I had to smell it and I had to leave the other ones. This one is the Radius Butter Body, and this one doesn't have like a crazy scent, it just smells clean. So yeah, that's the last thing I got from Ulta. So next I went to Urban Outfitters, but I did not go for Black Friday there. I got two things. The first thing is this jeans, which I wore to Disneyland on my last vlog. I love this jeans. These jeans are extremely high-waisted, like extremely high-waisted, and I couldn't be happier. I love the style, the fit, the cut, everything. Oh yeah, because on the bottom it's like destroyed a bit, or like whatever this is called. I'm just not a fan of the color. And the second thing that I bought was this facial. Why did I forget what these things are called? It's a facial roller, right? I bought two on Amazon, and the first one came broken, and the second one, it made like squeaky sounds when I would use it, and I just could not. So I bought this one. Of course, this one was a bit pricier than the ones from Amazon. I believe the ones from Amazon were like $20, but they had like the Lasha with them, and this one is just by itself, and I think it was like $30. So, but I do love it a lot. I'm not gonna lie, I did buy it just because it's silver, like from Urban Outfitters. because on Amazon there's a bunch of different styles that you can get, but most of them have like this thing gold, and I didn't want it to be gold. And I found this one in Urban, and this one is silver, so super cute. If you guys don't know what this basically just like massages your face and like does a bunch of good things for your skin, but you guys can look that up on your own. I will upload sometime soon a video on all like the skincare devices that I use. So yeah, this is one of them. So lastly, I discovered this one home decor store, which I am obsessed. And they had a sale going on, not for Black Friday, but they were just getting rid of like their fall decor stuff. And I just had to get some stuff because they were super cute. So the store is this one, Kirklands. This is like the Costco brand. So I don't know if it's like the same thing as Costco. I don't know. I don't think so. But anyways, the first thing that I got was this really cute pumpkin. And I got it for like, I want to say $4, which is a super good deal. This is super cute. Of course, I am about to like take out all my Christmas decorations to put up here in my room. But I will definitely have really cute fall decor for next year. And then I got this super cute pillow. Like, come on, is this not like super cute, guys? I saw it through the window and I just had to get it. I got this one for, it says 16, but I believe I got it for 8, like half the price. Just super good. And I did get that item up there. I don't know if you guys can see. And from Michael's, can you pass me garland, please? So because I was around the area and I was looking for fall decor stuff, I had just left this store and then I went to Michael's and I found this garland, which is so cute. This originally cost $25 and I believe I got it for like $8, which again, I think it's a really good deal. It's super cute. I was going to put it up here, like on top of my bed, but I want to start decorating for Christmas, so this will have to wait for next year. So that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed all of the things that I shared with you. I hope you guys got good sales during Black Friday. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave. And that is all that I have to say. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.